Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, your safe space for real talk about women's wellness. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that many of us have whispered about, Googled at midnight, or felt too shy to ask even our closest friends about vaginal health myths. Yep, we're getting real about what's actually normal down there and what signs mean it's time to seek help. By the end of this video, you'll feel empowered, informed, and so much less anxious about your body. Grab your tea, get cozy, let's bust these myths together. Part 1, Common Vaginal Myths. All right, let's jump right into the biggest myths we've all heard. Myth number 1, the vagina should smell like flowers. Girls, no. Truth bomb. The vagina isn't supposed to smell like roses, vanilla, or candy. In fact, a healthy vagina has a natural, slightly musky scent due to good bacteria called lactobacilli. Research insight. According to a review in the journal Obstetrics and Gynecology, 2017, vaginal pH levels and bacterial balance are key in maintaining its natural scent and preventing infections. Unless there's a strong, fishy odor or something foul, it's likely just normal. Myth number 2, vaginas need regular cleaning inside. Nope, the vagina is self-cleaning. Those vaginal washes and douches promising freshness, they actually disrupt your vaginal flora and make you prone to infections, like bacterial vaginosis. The American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, ACOG, strongly advises against douching. Here's the rule: clean the vulva with mild soap and water. Leave the vagina alone, it's got it covered. Myth number 3, discharge is always a bad sign. Another big one, vaginal discharge, totally normal. It changes with your cycle, from clear and stretchy around ovulation to white or creamy at other times. What's not normal? Green or gray discharge, foul odor, itching, or burning. Fun fact, in her book, The Vagina Bible by Dr. Gunter, she explains that discharge is your vagina's way of keeping itself healthy. It's not dirty. Myth number 4, tight vaginas are healthier. This myth is rooted in unrealistic and harmful beauty standards. Vaginas aren't supposed to be tight all the time. They're meant to stretch for intercourse, childbirth, and even during stress. Kegel exercises can strengthen pelvic floor muscles, but aiming for extreme tightness isn't healthy.